To replace a color in Epson Edge Print, we're going to click on Color Replacement in the right navigation bar. Then click on Edit, use the eyedropper, and in this case I want to change the red color of the number 5 to a cyan color. So now that I clicked on it, I can see the actual input color. In here, I can change the value of that color. So I'm going to do 100% cyan. I'm going to make the magenta 0 and the yellow 0 as well. And now click back on the edit button. And as you can see, we are changing now the red color into the 100% cyan. As we can see here, the 5 turned into blue. And we can do this with several colors. We can change the black as well. Eyedropper, select the black color, and let's make this 100% magenta. And click the edit button, and the color gets replaced. This is how you replace color in Epson Edge Print. And that's it.